Health pioneers present: water intoxication. How much water is too much? If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for relevant topics on health. There's no doubt about it, drinking enough water to stay hydrated is important for many reasons, such as preventing fatigue, regulating blood pressure, and even controlling hunger. But can you have too much water? The answer is yes, you definitely can. In fact, water intoxication, a severe form of hyponatremia, is considered to be a life-threatening emergency that must be diagnosed and treated promptly to prevent serious complications. Below we'll look at the dangers associated with drinking too much water, plus how much water should actually be consumed daily for optimal hydration. The definition of water intoxication is a lowered blood concentration of sodium hyponatremia that occurs due to the consumption of excess water without adequate replacement of sodium. Water intoxication is referred to in a few different ways, including hyponatremia, water poisoning, hyperhydration, or excessive water intake. All of these terms describe the same serious health condition that is caused by an electrolyte imbalance, specifically having too much water in the blood in relation to sodium. Signs and symptom of water intoxication. While mild or moderate hyponatremia is commonly asymptomatic, it causes no noticeable symptoms. Water intoxication is another story. The most common water intoxication symptoms can include headaches, confusion, and disorientation, nausea and vomiting, impaired mental state and psychotic symptoms, such as experiencing psychosis, delirium, inappropriate behavior, delusions, and hallucinations. Sometimes these symptoms can also contribute to water intoxication because the person doesn't realize what is happening to them and doesn't seek help. Muscle weakness, cramping, twitching, aches, and fatigue. Difficulty breathing. Frequent urination. Changes in blood pressure and irregular heartbeats. Severe drowsiness, seizures, respiratory arrest, brain stem herniation, and coma. Dangers of water intoxication. Why, exactly, is drinking too much water dangerous? Some of the negative health impacts associated with water intoxication include developing dangerously low sodium levels due to water flushing too much sodium from the body. The kidneys become very stressed due to overhydration because they are responsible for regulating fluid levels. When you consume too much water in a short period of time, the kidneys struggle to balance electrolytes in the blood, causing the body to become waterlogged. Experiencing neurological impairment due to the movement of water into the brain cells, in response to the fall in extracellular osmolality. Damage to the heart valves, including left ventricular hypertrophy. Fluid buildup in the stomach and abdominal organs. Raised blood cortisol levels, due to the body experiencing a strong stress response. Can water intoxication cause death, and, if so, how much water does it take to kill you? While staying hydrated is important, there's also such a thing as a fatal water overdose. In severe cases, hyponatremia that is not treated can lead to seizures, coma, and death. This is why experts say that early detection is crucial for preventing severe hyponatremia. How severe water intoxication becomes depends on how much and how quickly water was consumed, and the rate at which the sodium concentration in the blood falls. For water intoxication symptoms to be experienced, someone would have to drink more than 5 cups of water per hour. How much water is too much? Several factors can affect how well someone is able to excrete excess water from their body in order to prevent hyponatremia or water intoxication. For example, as mentioned above, being under a lot of stress and/or having existing medical conditions both take a toll on the kidneys and nervous system, which can increase the likelihood that water intoxication symptoms might occur. So how much water is too much to drink within a short period? When someone has normal, healthy kidneys, they should be able to excrete about 800 milliliters to 1 liter of fluid each hour. Drinking more than this amount will cause an imbalance of electrolytes and likely some early symptoms associated with hyponatremia. Also remember that if someone is heavily exercising, such as running a marathon or training or a sport, while also drinking lots of water, they will hold on to even more water because their body is experiencing a stress response. Water intoxication is not likely to happen unless someone drinks a large volume of water within a short period of time, 1 or 2 hours. Water intoxication can be prevented if a person's intake of water does not grossly exceed their water losses via urine or sweat. In one case study, water intoxication was the cause of a 64-year-old woman dying due to severe hyponatremia. She had drunk 30 to 40 glasses of water within several hours before going to sleep. Because she was experiencing delusions, she kept drinking more and more water even though she was vomiting and not feeling well. When it does occur, water intoxication treatment involves gastric lavage, or stomach pumping, gastric irrigation, sodium correction therapy, use of intravenous electrolytes, diuretics to increase urination and excess blood volume, vasopressin receptor antagonists. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video.